is basically we have to check if, the type of triangle. So the triangle has three sides, which is obvious. So we have to check that if a triangle is equilateral, scalene, or isosceles triangle. So first go for the equilateral triangle. If a triangle is equilateral triangle, so it has three sides and all of these three are equal. So let's write out the function type of triangle. Then we can write here the sides. For example, we have side 1, side 2, and side 3. My bad. Then we can check out the first condition. If all sides are equal, side 1 is equal to side 2, and oh, not this one. And side 2, side 1 is equal to side 3. I have not written the side 3. I have to take side 2, side 3, and side 3 equal to side 1. This is going to be the equilateral triangle statement condition. Triangle is which one? Equilateral. So let's write the condition. Let's run the output for just one condition. Example 2, 2, 2. Oh, not this one. 2, 2, 2. Then we can write it into a log statement so that we can see the output. Run it here. So it is saying that the triangle is equilateral. Although we have not write here the checks, which is basically if I can convert it into this way, so it is going to be returning an undefined because this condition fails because I write here the three checks or three equals. So let's do it for 2. Now this will work for string also. Triangle is equilateral. Now let's go for the scalene triangle. This is going to happen when I already have couple of condition. So if side 1 is equal to side 2 or side 2 is equal to side 3 or side 1 is equal to any of it, any of the two sides are equal, then what we can say if in this condition our triangle is basically an scalene triangle. Okay, so let's copy this one and then return out this statement. Triangle is scale. In the else case, let's write it here like this one. Let's write else. In the else case, we write here the triangle is isoscale. Okay, let's do the testing for all three conditions. To make the one side as phi and make this one as 10. So in the first case, it is going to be the equilateral, then scaling, then isoscale. So let's run here. So it is saying that the first one is equilateral, then scaling, then isoscale. So this is our question, which is basically we have to check all the type of triangles.